Hello, Assalamu Hussain. This is Ashad Khan from Kranchins Academy. Today we are going to solve the question number 3 of May-June 2018 paper 1. Its code is 7115/212. This is question number 3. DPC operate 200 takes away pizza shops. Over 75% of its pizza are ordered through e-commerce. The managing director thinks 2017 was a successful year. She said, looking ahead, there are signs that the economy is growing. However, DPC has a number of challenges. The government plans to increase the minimum wages to $5 per hour. DPC has responded to the environmental pressure as well. Food waste and litters caused by used pizza boxes are problems. Complaints from the local communities about this are too high. Student, this is about a company who operates pizza shops, around 200 takeaways over the city, and they are doing good business, and they hope their business will also grow as the economies grow. But there is a government has also planned to increase the minimum wage up to $5 per hour, and because beside this there is a problem of environmental pressure because these pizzas generate litters and food waste. This directly impact on the environment. Let's see what is question number 1A, 3A. Questions: identify two ways to measure business success. In this question come from the chapter 3, chapter 9. Chapter 3, identify two ways to measure the business success. Number 1, make share, market share or number of shops. On the basis of market share or on the basis for number of shops, we measure the success of the business of DPC operate. Number 2, profit or financial ratios such as ROCE, return on capital employed. Return on capital employed also tells about the business success. This question carry two parts. Now come to question 3B. Identify two features of a growing economy. Here we have to just identify what are the two features of the growing economy. This questions comes from chapter 2. Number 1 feature of a growing economy is lower unemployment. Unemployment rate is always lower in the growing economy. Number 2, higher income or a higher disposable income. Next feature of growing economy, the people had higher income or higher disposable income on their hand. Now come to the question number 3C. Identify and explain two ways in which an increase in the minimum wage could affect DPC. This question comes from the chapter 6 and it carries 4 marks. We have to just identify and explain the impact of increase in minimum wage. Number 1, it's increased motivation among employees. Yes, if we increase the wage, it's definitely motivate the employees, and this motivation help in increasing productivity, which directly impact on the cost of production and company profitability. As the productivity increase, then definitely cost of production down, and it will impact on profitability. Number 2, increased cost of labor. The second impact of increasing the labor wages is the increased labor of cost, because as the labor costs increase, which impact in profitability and cash outflows of the company. On the basis, as we increase the labor wage rate, it will definitely impact on the cash outflow of the company. Now come to question 1/3D. 3D is identify and explain two advantages of DPC of using e-commerce. This question comes from chapter 9, which is chapter 9 is about communication. Here we have to identify about what are the advantages of using e-commerce by DPC. Number 1 advantage: easy to update communication or information about the company. By the using of e-commerce, we can easily update information or give timely information to our customer. Fast and timely information and communication regarding the business, product, promotion, and other matter give a good impact on the business impact on customer, which ultimately raise the sale of product and customer loyalty. Number two, cheaper method of advertising. E-commerce is also a cheaper method of advertising, because as there is no need to reprint the leaflet and other materials every time, like promo, or whenever there is a promotion or an event going on, or it's not save their money but also their times. These questions carry 6 marks. Now come to question 3E. This is the last question of the question number 3. Explain 2 ways in which DPC could respond to environmental pressure. Recommend which of the 2 options should choose. Justify your answer. Here we have to give a recommendation to DPC about how to maintain the pressure of the environmental pollutions regarding. Number 1, reduce the amount of paper or cardboard so it creates less litter. While packing the pizza or using the package material for the packing, we should decrease the amount of cardboard or paper. As the amount of paper and cardboard is less used in the packing size, so will less waste and be created. And they must tell it to their customer about it as an initiative to reduce environmental change. Whatever they measure took, they should tell their customer that these measures are taken for the environmental challenges, to meet the environmental challenges. Other option is ask the customer to bring their own containers. If it will reduce packaging cost and improve environment. For home delivery, same model can also be used. Their regular customer must prefer it because same container will be used every time and it can be also managed easily. This is also a good way to reduce the pollution or reduce the paper waste or card waste, because if the customer bring their own container, it not only reduce the cost of the pizza but also improve the environment. And I think this is a good option, and people would like it. And it will also help in the serving in the while through delivery, home delivery. Okay, thank you students. Now it's come to end of the question 3. Soon we will come for question 4 of the same year paper. Thank you.